Hey everyone, welcome back. So I was at my local dollar store the other day and I picked up this DG Hardware 1.5 inch laminated padlock. What's that, 38 millimeters. I thought it was kind of neat on the back. Care instructions: alloy pin cylinders provide pick resistance and hundreds of key codes to prevent duplication. And that's all it says about the lock. So we're gonna do an out of the pack pick of it and see what we can come up with. These are kind of funny. Sometimes they can go either way. Sometimes the cheapies can be really easy. Other times they can be kind of difficult. So we'll see how it goes. I guess since the keys are right there, we'll take a look. It's a little 4-pin. Looks like it's got a low cut in pin 2 and a couple of highs in 3 and 4. There's the keyway on it. Made in China stamped right there on the bottom. Let's see, what are we going to use to tension it with? Oh, it looks pretty wide. I wonder if the 50 will fit. Probably not. Nope. Looks like we're going to go with the 40,000th inch turner. Maybe the short end. That feels like it'll be alright. And we're going to get the short flat hook from the Genesis set. And let's see what we got. I'm going to go right to the back. Start out there. There's 4. Nothing on. That was probably one. My tension wrench is turning there. I felt like I overset. Oh, well, okay. Thought I was oversetting stuff, but apparently we got it. Let's try it one more time. Let's put the key in and not too bad. Try it one more time. See what we get. Start at the front this time. 1, 2. There we go. All right, just as easy as that, I guess. Hard to feel what was going in there. No security pins, obviously, but it was a 38 millimeter dollar store lock. That's all I have for this one, and we'll see you in the next one.